We want no adjournments. The DPP wants no quota, no leeway. He wants to get the job done as quickly as is humanly possible. We bear in mind only the saying that procedure is the handmaiden of justice. And therefore, as quickly as the procedure will allow the attainment of justice, we are ready and willing to proceed and cooperate with this court to ensure that we finalize this case as quickly as possible. And we will be urging the court, when granting hearing dates, to give us consecutive, continuous dates so that we can finalize the same. In respect to the application that has been made by my learned friends, I wish to put on record that it is not correct that the DPP did not bother to find out details of which officer served in which office at which moment in time. To the contrary, the DPP has been meticulous, has been thorough, and has ensured that he has put together a case that will convince this court to return convictions against the accused persons. Our case is not that the accused persons are innocent, even though the court and the law presumes them to be innocent until proven guilty. To the contrary, and as can be expected, our case is that the accused persons have not been at their stations working for the public good of the citizens of this great Republic of Kenya. Our case is that they have been at their workstation, employing their time, working for their own personal benefit. But let me pause there for a while, my lord. Let me attempt to save the time of this honorable court by putting forward a proposition that may assist all sides. If my proposition is declined, then I will request to be allowed to respond completely and exhaustively to the application that has been made by my learned friends. We propose to learned counsel for the defense and through them to the accused persons that the interest of the deputy public prosecutor is to ensure their attendance in court for their trial. That is his paramount goal, not to seek retribution through denial of bail. If the accused persons are willing to surrender all their passports and all their travel documents to this honorable court, I'm saying all their passports and all their travel documents because some have multiple travel documents. If they are willing to keep away from their places of work, if they are willing not to approach any of our witnesses, if they are willing to bind themselves before this court, not to tamper with documentary or any other evidence, if they are willing to provide adequate sureties for their attendance for the trial, if they are willing to accede to these conditions, we will have no problem with what they have requested. The amount of monies that this republic has lost through these accused persons is immense, Your Honor. And we will be praying to the court that if these requirements are met and acceded to by the accused persons, we will be praying to this court to fix or to consider fixing the terms of such bail to be commensurate to the billions whose loss has been occasioned by these accused persons. It is a proposition that we make on a without prejudice basis to our right to response, and it is an application that we are making in good faith to save the court's time. And before I sit down, Your Honor, so that we can receive the response of my learned friends on the defense, I would like again to put it on record that we do not agree or accept or concede to any of the submissions that have been made by my learned friends. None whatsoever. That is all, Your Honor.